So when you open QGIS, let me press Ctrl N for a new project to open. And then let me say I'll add a base map. So XYZ tiles. For now, we have OpenStreetMap here. So let me just add it. OpenStreetMap. The next thing I would like to do after adding this OpenStreetMap, I'll click bottom here and change the coordinate reference system. So let me search for it 32632. Here we have it, UTM zone 32 knots. So that's the PSG code. I'm just gonna click on apply and click on OK. Okay, so when you finish processing this drone imageries, this is the root folder. Go to Polydrawn mapping, then DSM auto, then these two mosaic. You have this, but what I want to do here, I'll just drag and drop. So let's see what happens. Okay, let me click this, right click and say zoom to layer. So it's this. So here it is. OpenStreetMap is there. You let it load. Load. Okay. So we're going to add another tile. So I'm going to right click, say new connection. I'm going to call this the Google satellite hybrid. So let's get the URL. Let's browse it. Google satellite hybrid URL. Okay. Let's say files in QGIS. Pop up now. Google satellite hybrid. So I'm seeing it here now. Let me just copy this and paste. Just click OK. Yeah, so we can add Google satellite hybrid here. Then I just move it below this and turn off the OpenStreetMap. So this is our mosaic. Just in case you're not seeing what is happening, let me turn off the Google satellite and turn it on back. So let's see how it goes. Another thing I could do, let me just go to properties here and then symbology, this. I come to transparency. Let me bring it down to, let's say, 50%. Just type 50. Click OK. So you can see how it looks like on top. So let me go back to the properties and change it back to 100%. Let's click OK. So this is the product of the images, the drone imagery we processed. Okay. You can see the difference. It's sharper. You can see the basketball court, the volleyball pitch, the lawn tennis side. So everything is sharp here. We are good to go. So from here we can just create a shapefile and start digitizing now. Let's create a file and start digitizing features. Okay, let me quickly do that. Create layer, new shapefile layer, change on 32, call this Abia Poly Faculty Buildings. I want too much here. I'll just okay, let me put name. Let me add that. So ID is automatically created. Geometry type, this should be a polygon, right? Polygon, is there another thing? No. I'm gonna click OK. I'm just gonna click on toggle editing here. I can just start digitizing these buildings here, like so, like so. Let's leave it like that for now. Start tracing all these buildings. So this is what we call digitization. Accurately digitize these buildings until I'm through. Maybe seeing cars. That's good. This is the advantage of drone imagery. Just digitize like so. And then one additional thing here is let me just from here I'm gonna save my edits here, toggle it back off. I also have this identify feature. If I click on the drone imagery here, look at it. That's different bands: band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4. Okay, but the advantage I want to tell you about having drone imageries is that you also have this DSM. So let me just drag and drop it. Okay, so where is it? So this is it. Let me go to properties and go to symbology. I'm going to change it to pseudo color, single band pseudo color, and instead of this gray, okay, one band pseudo color, interpolation linear. Then the color ramp here, I'm gonna choose spectral. Yeah, but I'm gonna invert that. So invert color ramp. Click on apply, like so. So basically, this DSM gives us height. It gives us height values. So let's look at it here. If I click on the DSM, you're seeing this. This is the height value of this point. Okay, so now let me click here. This is 115. And if I click down, you can see 103. So 103, 115 minus 103. What will that be? Check. So you can roughly estimate that the building has a height of 12 meters. So using these functionalities, I can derive the relative heights of buildings. So and with this, we can make a 3D model also. We can make a 3D model using uh, QGIS to 3GIS plugin. So in case you want to install the plugin, I'll come here, manage and install plugins, and then very quickly to fetch the plugins, and then it says for it QGIS to 3GIS. Got it. When I click on install, then click on close. So this QGIS to 3GIS is used for visualizing 3D. And then this DSM, I can also go back to the properties and let's look at it. The rendering, the blending mode is normal. You can say subtract, normal, lighting, screen, dodge, addition. So I'm gonna say overlay, click OK. So you have something like this. Okay. Let me just demonstrate the QGIS to 3GIS plugin with QGIS. This let's see. DSM, the faculty buildings, and what again? It's taking time to load. So, right. All right. So this is it. But this is extruding it above mean sea level, not like this is the it's not as if this place is higher than the rest of the places, but this is where our data captured. So we could just as well focus on that. So we can visualize this. So basically we're just gonna extract the heights from this DSM and use it to fill up the attribute table of the faculty buildings. Then with that we can create a more realistic 3D model and all that. All right, I won't go talk much again. I think I've covered a lot, so bye for now.